Hey Sag, what's up? This is for Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. Welcome to another reading. Please keep in mind that the energies can be vice versa. Also keep in mind that the reading may or may not resonate with you. If it doesn't, feel free to check your other placements. This is for my Sagittarius in love for the first half of May 2020, please. Spirit guides and angels, what can Sagittarius expect in love from the 1st of May to the 15th of May 2020? What can Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus expect in love from the first half of May to the 15th of May 2020? Alright, let's cut her. Okay, coming into the current situation, we have the Knight of Wands. What is influencing or blocking the Knight of Wands is the Six of Cups. Okay, what happened in the past? The Two of Wands. What's on Sagittarius's mind is the death. Scorpionic energy. What is the reason for the reading? Why is all this happening? Is the Six of Wands in reverse. What will Sagittarius experience coming into the near future is the Three of Wands. Okay. I'm sorry, I just hope you guys can see the cards. Alright. What's at the bottom of the deck? The Seven of Wands in reverse. Alright. Someone's giving up on a connection. Someone's not defending a connection anymore. In the past, there could have been someone who needed to pick a direction, Sagittarius. Maybe you had to pick a direction. You had a choice between two people, or you just had to choose a direction, making a very detached decision. That's fire energy. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. A lot of fire in your reading. Someone's rushing in to communicate with you, Sagittarius. Either this is you or this is someone who you want to communicate with. This is a soulmate coming in. With the Six of Cups, that's water energy, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Either a soulmate or someone from your past is coming back to communicate with you. They're rushing in passionately. They need to communicate something to you. They need to talk to you. They're passionate about you. They want you. Or this is you who's rushing in to talk to someone from your past. Okay, the Six of Cups is soulmate energy. Okay, so this is someone you could have known for a lot of lifetimes. You could have children with this person, or children could be involved, but there could be a significant difference between you and this person. All right, but there's definitely someone from the past or someone who you have the best of memories with. All right, on your mind is the death. You're ending something. Okay, you want to end something, or you've ended something. Okay, this is a rebirth card. You want a transformation in a relationship. Probably you want to end the way you thought. You want to end the way this relationship or the negative patterns, and you want to completely transform the relationship into something brand new. All right, you're ready to shed the old and let the new come in. Why is all this happening? Is because of the Six of Wands in reverse. So I'm assuming in the past this relationship did not work out. There was a lack of success. There was a lack of forward movement. You could have felt unsupported, or you could have just felt that, you know what, you're doing everything on your own. Or there could have been someone who wanted public recognition, and it probably just didn't happen. Something could have definitely been a big fat failure. Okay, something failed, something wasn't successful. Okay, and that's why, that is the reason for the reading. Okay, there was no public recognition to probably a relationship, and now someone wants to transform a relationship and move to higher levels of commitment. I don't know, let's see. In the future you'll be waiting. We have the Three of Wands here. That's waiting and manifesting. Okay, you're waiting for results for something that you have manifested. You're going to wait for the results for something you have manifested, and you're going to put and something that you're going to put your efforts into. Okay, this is definitely something that you're going to wait for, that you worked on for too long. Okay, this is could also be manifesting another direction. Basically, you're just going to wait for something to happen. Okay, where you've already put in your efforts, waiting for your ships to come in. All right, let's clarify. Why is the Seven of Wands in reverse here as the overall energy for Sagittarius? Seven of Wands in reverse. Someone cut you out, you cut someone out. Could be dealing with an air sign. Someone came in with clarity, and now someone's just giving up. Okay, there was truthful communication that was done here, and after that someone either give up on the connection or someone just let their guard down, okay? Someone just stopped fighting for something. Seven of Wands is typically a very, very defensive energy. Maybe someone was very, very defensive earlier, but after that clarity came in, they just gave up. Clarify for the King of Swords. What is this communication about? Clarify for the King of Swords. Yeah, that someone wanted to reconcile. Yeah, definitely. Someone wanted to reconcile. So after, maybe there was you, Sagittarius, who was very, very guarded, and you were like, you know what? Like more like, you know, standing your ground, but someone completely stopped doing that because there was truthful communication about a reconciliation. All right, clarify the Two of Wands in the past. What is this Two of Wands in the past? Reconciliation with a past person. So in the past you could have to pick a direction, but with the Six of Cups in reverse here, I think that you were holding on to something, holding on to a grudge. The Six of Cups in reverse is clinging on to the past, but clinging on to the bad memories of the past, okay? And that's why probably you couldn't make a direction. It can also mean holding on, holding a grudge towards someone. All right, clarify the Six of Cups in reverse. Yeah, because things did not go your way. The Wheel of Fortune is in reverse. There could be negative changes that impacted your life in a way which completely shifted your life from one zone to another. You could have felt these changes were not on your side, but in the long run, it's going to be better. Yeah. You probably thought a relationship could have gone your way, but you probably had a fallout with a soulmate, okay? And now you're holding grudges towards them, but in the past you had to make a decision whether you wanted to invest in this relationship or not. Clarify the Knight of Wands here. Clarify the Knight of Wands. Again, Two of Wands. Okay, so someone's rushing in and they probably, I can say they probably picked a direction, maybe. Maybe in the past someone was indecisive. Clarify the Two of Wands. What is this Two of Wands here? Okay, it's like 100 cards. I can't take those. Clarify the Two of Wands, please. What is this Two of Wands? Clarify the Two of Wands. Yeah, someone made it right now. Whoever's rushing in, they're rushing in because they've thought of a decision. They've made their decision, and they're coming in. They're the King of Wands. They're coming in. King of Wands is someone who knows what they want, and they're coming in for action. They're coming to get you, Sagittarius. Whoever this is definitely someone from your past who you let go in the past. The past is coming in again with a reconciliation. Clarify the Six of Cups. Yeah, because now they're out of their head. They could have been stuck in their head for a very long time, okay, for the longest time, which is very stuck and stagnant energy, okay. There could be a lot of fear around what this person was in that stage of mind. Eight of Swords to me typically is someone who creates their own self-inflicted prison, okay. They make their prison in their head. It's like, you know what, they feel self-restricted and stuck, okay, but they're coming out. They're getting to their senses. They're not stuck anymore, and now they want to come back. The past is coming back to you, Sagittarius. This could be you or this could be them. Clarify the Eight of Swords in reverse. Clarify the Eight of Swords in reverse. Yeah, they want to work. They want to build with you. Three of Pentacles, building together, building a foundation together, making things right. Like, let's start from scratch. I'm with you on this. This is being committed to the relationship. They want to build with you. They want to make things right. That's collaboration. That's teamwork. All right. Clarify the Death. What is the Death? What is the Death on Sagittarius' mind? Clarify the Death. Yeah. You want to transform something completely. You want to change. But with the Five of Swords, I feel that... clarify the Five of Swords. I need one more card. Clarify the Five of Swords. What is this Five of Swords? Ace of Pentacles in reverse. So but probably you feel that there's a lot of conflict. You're probably very conflicted in your head about giving this person a second chance. The Ace of Pentacles in reverse is someone who is doubting the commitment, or who's just not being able to offer the commitment right now because they fear the scarcity, okay. They fear there's a lack of something, okay, and that's why someone's conflicted in their head. Something's ended, Sagittarius. You've ended something. You have an ending on your mind. You want to transform something, but you're very conflicted in your head of whether you want to move ahead with this, you want to plant the seed, if you want this commitment or not. Someone wants it from your past, but you're not sure because you're just in your head about it. Like, is this going to work out? How's it going to be? Clarify the Six of Wands in reverse. Why is the Six of Wands in reverse here? Yeah. Like I said, there was a lack of success. Something did not, just was a big fat failure. And probably now you're wanting to create something new. Okay, with the Empress, could be dealing with a Libra or a Taurus. The Empress is someone gives a creation of something new. She gives birth to something new. With the Death card and the Empress card, definitely yes, you want to do something new. You want to try something new. Okay, so I see here that someone is not very sure. They've let the old die, and they're ready to give rebirth a situation, but they're just not sure if they want to commit to this or they want to restart this or not. Okay, and there's someone here. The reason for the reading is that there was something which was a failure, but now there's someone who wants to restart something completely brand new with you. Clarify the Empress. Someone wants to feed this connection that was a failure once. Clarify the Empress. Clarify the Empress. Yeah, you could be dealing with an Emperor. Okay, the Emperor in reverse is someone who's extremely stubborn, someone who's like my way or the highway. Okay, probably that is one of the reasons why things did not work out, because the Emperor in reverse is someone very stubborn. Okay, he's non-committal, he has his own ways of thoughts, and it's extremely hard to shake his mind. Okay, you cannot move this guy's mind. He's very sure. And maybe that's why you're thinking twice if you want to do this or not. Clarify the Three of Wands. Yeah, you're manifesting a new direction because something is going to be extremely stressful for you. With the Ten of Wands, you have a lot on your plate and you're not sure if you want to go for this or not. Ten of Wands is a lot going on. Okay, one person's carrying the burden of the entire relationship, or they could just have a lot going on in their life. Yeah, but at the same time, there is someone who's still stalking and spying. Okay, there's someone who, the communication is still going to come in with the Page of Swords. Could be someone immature in communication, could be a younger air sign, but there's someone here who still wants to talk. Okay, someone still wants to talk. And maybe there's someone here who's manifesting this relationship with you, and it's stressing them out because you're not talking, but they still want to talk. It's like a burden on their head. They want to talk, they want to tell you. This could be blunt communication. This could be someone who's very sharp, but it's very truthful communication. Okay, regardless whether you talk to them or not, they're still spying and stalking you. Clap for the Page of Swords. Yeah, but you're being stubborn. Could be dealing with a Pisces. Someone's being stubborn out here. Someone's dug their heels and they're like, no, I'm not going to look at anything from a different perspective of you. I'm just going to take my own time. Okay, this is more than time. This is someone who's just stuck. Okay, like, no, I'm not budging. You can do whatever you want. I'm not budging. Clarify the let me clarify the Hangman in reverse. What is this Hangman in reverse? Yeah, because you're shut down. Knight of Cups in reverse. Someone's shut down. Someone's not offering their emotions to this person because they're just very stubborn right now. Someone's being very stubborn. Why is the King of Wands here as the current situation? Why is the King of Wands here as the current situation? Yeah, because now they want to work. They want to invest in this relationship. So Sagittarius, what I see overall is that there could have been someone that you have had a fallout with, a soulmate connection in the past, and now the person from the past wants to come in and reconcile with you with some truthful communication. Okay, their guards are down. They're seeing things very clearly, and now they're coming in, taking action. They want to work with you. They want to build with you. They want commitment with you. But now you're shut off, okay, because you want something brand new. You don't want to repeat the past, okay? And even if you want to, you're very conflicted in your head if you want to give this another chance. That's what I see here. Clarify the Ace of Pentacles in reverse. Clarify the Ace of Pentacles in reverse. Clarify the Ace of Pentacles in reverse. Yeah, because you feel there was... So the reason why you're not giving this a second chance, or why there is a lack of a new beginning here, a practical new beginning, is because you still have unfinished business with this person. You have the World in reverse. Things are stuck and stagnant. Someone could have just abruptly left a situation or a relationship. There was a lack of closure, and now you're like, okay, like now you want to come back, huh? So it's not like you can just start and stop, right? You can't do that. So yeah, I think Sagittarius, you're going to give this a lot of thought. More than thought, I don't think you're even focused on this person because you're shut off. You're not budging. And this is stressing the other person out. They're spying on you constantly. They're manifesting this relationship. Or it's just you who's looking into another direction. You want something brand new. Brand new keeps screaming in this reading, okay? Alright. Okay, Sagittarius, I hope you enjoyed this reading. Please leave your comments below, like, share, follow, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.